Okay, so I did the know, want to know, and learned section for vocabulary words. So here's some vocabulary words for fifth graders. And let's say they know these words, so they know them because they're on their vocabulary list. Now, they're going to write down what they want to know. So let's say this person wants to know how to write this word in a sentence. So that's what they're going to write on here. For this word, they want to know the meaning of it, the meaning of amusement as well. So they're just going to write down things they want to know about the word, and then when they've learned what they want to know, so they can put, I am happy to be at school. They want to learn how to put it in a sentence, they're going to put down the sentence that they've learned. They want to know the meaning of pride, they're going to put down the meaning of it. And they'll learn these things through reading, finding it on the internet, and mostly through the week we'll learn how these words are used in sentences and the meanings of them through books we read and worksheets we do.